Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this video we are just going to be discussing one of the most advanced tools for chart analysis, and that is the Lux Algo price action concepts. Okay, we're going to be looking at it in the light of one of the best smart money concepts indicator. All right, if you have followed the last few videos that I uploaded, you would discover that I have talked about the smart money concept in several videos, considering both across several assets. All right, now we just want to consider this particular indicator that can be of great help to you when it comes to smart money concepts. It works with the principles of smart money concept, things like break of structure, change of character, and supply and demand zones. Okay, if you have ever struggled to identify market structure or read price action with confidence, then this is going to be a game changer for you. Now, instead of manually marking levels and trying to interpret price action, this tool automates it in real time. Okay, you get instant visual cues, um, visual cues that are going to be showing you where the market has shifted direction, where liquidity might be resting, and where potential high probability trade zones are forming. Whether you are trading Forex, crypto, or stocks, the logic is the same. The market moves based on supply and demand, and Lux Algo, this particular Lux Algo tool, because this price action concept is also, by Lux Algo. So it's one of the Lux Algo indicators. There are a variety of them. Okay. So this particular tool helps you you know, uh, to see the market clearly in the light of SMC. One of the standout features is how it identifies break of structure, or BOS, right? You can see different BOS, identified across this chart. It helps you identify break of structure and change of character as well. CHOCH represents change of character. All right, and it does that without cluttering your chart. Break of structure confirm that price has shifted its trend, while change of character often starts, or rather signals the start of a reversal. When you have a break of structure, it's likely in the direction of the trend, but you have a higher high and higher low likely to be formed, while that's for a bullish trend, of course, while in a bearish trend it's going to be lower high and a lower low being formed, while change of character shows that the trend is reversing. So from a bullish trend, a change of character shows that a bearish trend is about to form, and vice versa. Okay, so these are critical for timing your entries and your exits. Okay, it also highlights you can see that it also highlights supply and demand zones, right? So you can see where big players, the so-called smart money, are likely placing their orders. Instead of chasing random price movements, you can wait for price to return to these zones and make more informed decisions. Okay, now the beauty of this indicator is its flexibility. If you are a forex trader, it can help you spot key levels in pairs like the Euro USD or GBP, JPY. For crypto traders, you can use it to track major moves on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins. Okay, stock traders can apply the same principles on equities, ETFs, or indices. Right? The adaptability comes from the fact that it is built on universal price action concepts. Okay, it is built on universal price action concepts. It doesn't matter if you are trading a currency pair, or if you're trading a Tesla stock or any other stock of different companies out there. The way supply and demand drives price is the same. Okay, smart money concepts can feel overwhelming when you first hear about them. Institutional traders use these techniques to stay ahead of retail traders. Okay, but Lux Algo price action concept simplifies the process. Instead of spending hours drawing levels and rechecking structure, you get a clean visual map of the market in seconds. So this allows you to focus on execution, waiting for price to align with your trading plan instead of drowning in analysis paralysis. Okay, so as you can see, this indicator works with the principle of market structure, the BOS, the CHOCH, right? So basically, if you are in a bullish trend, the indicator is going to help you identify the BOS with ease, right? And when the trend reversal is about to happen, the CHOCH signal is going to tell you that. And the reverse is the case, when it's a bearish trend, just similar thing, but just the opposite, right? And the indicator can help you even identify internal break of structures and CHOCH. It doesn't matter whether you are a swing trader or a scalper. Maybe you trade on smaller time frames, or whether you trade on smaller time frames or you trade on higher time frames. Do not worry, because this indicator can still be of great benefit to you. All right. Do not bother about whether your time frame of trading or your style of trading is going to be a problem. All right. So you can see that using this indicator, considering all these annotations, you can see that the indicator makes trading smart money concept pretty easy, right? It looks quite simple, because of the features of the indicator. All right, you can see maybe in a situation whereby you have a fair value gap, and then you have the indicator, highlighting, an important zone for you, significant liquidity area, like you can see here, right? Another significant liquidity area, and then the indicator even points out an order block for you, and then all you just have to do is to get your confirmations right and then execute your trade manually. Okay, but the indicator does the heavy lifting for you. As you can see, let's come back to this chart. As you can see, the indicator does the heavy lifting for you, points out important zones for you on the chart, and all you just have to do is to do your confirmations, and then execute your trade yourself with proper risk management. So if you are ready to trade with clarity and precision, the Lux Algo price action concept is one of the best smart money concept indicator that you can consider exploring. Okay, at this time it's not available for free on the TradingView platform. It's kind of locked. So if you want to make use of this particular indicator, you might actually need to, let me just show you real quick. So you can see that it's currently locked. So if you want to make use of this indicator, you would have to contact the author. As you can see, invite only script. Okay, but the indicator is quite beneficial. All right, that is, if you want to make use of it, you can go through that route of contacting the author. Okay, sorry. So this indicator is an effective indicator that can help you to bridge the gap between theory and practical trading, giving you the same kind of market view that institutional traders use. If you found this breakdown helpful, click the like button, subscribe for more deep dives into powerful trading tools. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.